If you are a homeowner over 55 years old and you are looking to sell real estate, then this is what you need to know about taxes. So, my name is Joanna Jimenez. I'm with the Opes Group, and we do a lot of real estate transactions, so much so we did the most in Miami last year. So, let's talk about real estate taxes for you. If you if you own a property that's your homestead residences, meaning you live here for more than 2 years, and you are married, you have up to $500,000 of capital gains tax free. And if you are single, it's $250,000 tax free. Now, it's not from when you purchase to when you sell, that gap. No. You can use all of the costs that you've invested in this property through the years of owning it. So if you've lived there for 20 years and you've replaced that roof and you replaced the windows and you had to change the appliances, all those costs will add up to that capital gains amount. For many homeowners, that amount is almost like a wash, but if it's not and you're concerned, I highly recommend speak to an accountant so you can have an idea of what your capital gains implication would be after the fact. Now, let's talk about a property you own and it's not your homestead. What are your options? So many of our clients are tired of being homeowners and dealing with tenants. So what we are seeing many of them do nowadays is they're selling their investment properties and they're doing a 1031 exchange. This exchange is something the IRS allows for you to avoid paying capital gains tax, and it lets you purchase another property. But what our clients are doing is they're not purchasing another property. Instead, they're doing a 1031 exchange into a real estate fund. And the reason they're doing this is because they get the return, but they don't have to carry the liability or the headache of what carrying a house involves, which if you've been doing this, you know what we mean, right? The roof, the plumbing, all of that adds up. So it's important for you to know if you own a property and you are looking to sell and you're over 55, what your tax implications are. And those are usually the big things. Homestead exemption is really not something that it does help you while you own the property, but the big benefit here is if it's your homestead, you have the $250,000 capital gains tax free as a single person, or $500,000 if you're a married couple. That is a huge benefit. And if it's an investment property, just do a 1031 into a real estate fund. Again, I'm Joanna Jimenez with the Opes Group and happy to be of service with any questions you have regarding selling your home and the real estate tax implications.